While mechanical keyboards are gaining popularity among gamers and typists for their tactile feedback and durability, outdoor gear like beach chairs with canopies is also rising in demand. As more people seek comfort and sun protection during outdoor activities, features like adjustable shade, reclining positions, and portability have become essential. In this guide, we evaluate the comfort, build quality, sun protection, portability, and added features of top-rated Canopy beach chairs to help you pick your perfect summer companion. List number: Double beach chair with canopy. Ultimate duo seating comfort. Ideal for couples or beach buddies, this double beach chair with canopy features 2 oversized seats under a removable roof, offering maximum shade and comfort. The folding design allows easy transport and storage, and the sturdy steel frame supports ample weight for 2 adults. Each seat includes its own armrests and cup holders, while the detachable canopy provides excellent UV protection. List number: Nice Sea Chair with Canopy. Versatile and feature-packed, the Nice Sea Chair with Canopy stands out for its multifunctionality. Equipped with a removable canopy, footrest, cooler bag, and cup holder, this chair is built for long days at the beach or park. Its aluminum and steel frame balances durability with lightweight portability, and the breathable mesh back keeps you cool in warm weather. The adjustable canopy provides ample shade, while the footrest supports your legs for optimal relaxation. List 3. GCI Outdoor Sunshade Rocker. Premium Rocking Shade Chair. The GCI Outdoor Sunshade Rocker brings innovation to beach seating with its spring action rocking technology. Designed for those who want to relax and gently sway under the sun. This chair features a sturdy aluminum and steel frame and a structured UV protective canopy. The shade is adjustable to block sunlight from multiple angles, and the chair easily folds flat for transport. List 5. Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Chair. Lounge in luxury, combining luxury and practicality. The Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Chair offers an adjustable reclining experience paired with a removable canopy, headrest, and side tray. This chair reclines smoothly into a zero-gravity position, alleviating pressure on your back and legs while you enjoy the outdoors. The UV-resistant canopy provides shade without obstructing your view, and the steel frame ensures sturdiness while remaining foldable for transport. Perfect for patios, poolside, or beaches. List number: Docus Vect Beach Chair with Canopy. Compact with cup holder. The Docus Vect Beach Chair with Canopy is a folding mid-size chair that's perfect for casual beachgoers. It comes equipped with a collapsible canopy for shade, a durable steel frame, and a built-in cup holder. Its lightweight construction and carry bag make it easy to bring along for camping, outdoor concerts, or beach days. The fabric is weather-resistant and quick-drying, making maintenance minimal, even after sandy or wet use.